Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to change font style and size in Android phone. If you want to change font style and size in your Android phone, so you just need to follow these steps. First, open your mobile settings app and here scroll down and look for display and brightness. Here's that, tap on it and here just scroll down. Here you will be shown two options, font and display size and font style. First, we are going to change display size, tap on it and here you can customize font size and display size. Now go back and here you have the second option, which is font style. Tap on it and then choose the font style you want to change. As I'm going to change this one, so just tap on it and then tap on apply. And now you can see I have successfully changed font of my Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.